The Bronze Series brings beauty and style to your home at an economic price. With a maintenance-free construction, you can expect years of use and beauty from your door. These doors are 2 1/8 inches thick, built with 25-gauge steel. The Bronze Series provides a clean and classic look that's economical. Bronze Series doors are available in 2 panel designs and come in 4 distinct colors: white, almond, sandtone, and brown. The door's hot-dipped galvanized steel skins are factory painted, resulting in unsurpassed rust protection and long-lasting beauty. You can also paint your door with a high-quality exterior latex paint to match your home. In addition to color and door design, you can choose between 4 window options. The designer inserts are UV protected to eliminate discoloration and can be installed on the inside or the outside of the window frame. The Homes Garage Door Company stands behind the Bronze Series with some of the best warranties in the business, including a 10-year limited paint system warranty and a 3-year limited hardware warranty. If you're looking for a durable and economic door, the Bronze Series has the right door for you.